Imagine a mantra so powerful, so sacred, that for over 3,000 years, it has been kept hidden from the world. A secret passed down in the quiet corners of ancient monasteries, waiting for the right time to be revealed. Today, we're about to uncover this ancient Tibetan wealth mantra, a practice that has been shrouded in mystery for millennia. Why was it hidden for so long? And what makes it so powerful? In this video, you will learn the origins of this mantra, its incredible potential to attract wealth and prosperity, and why it was kept secret by Tibetan monks. We'll explore how the mantra works, what makes it unique, and how you can incorporate it into your life today. But here's the catch, this is not just about material wealth. This mantra is said to unlock spiritual growth and inner peace, making it far more than a simple chant. Stick with us until the end to uncover its true power and the ancient wisdom hidden within. Welcome to our channel, Silence Journey. If you're ready to discover deeper truths and tap into the ancient practices that can transform your life, make sure you subscribe now. You won't want to miss what's coming next. This introduction blends suspense, curiosity, and a touch of drama to keep the viewers engaged and eager to continue watching. Before we talk about the power of the mantra, let's first dive into its origins. This ancient Tibetan wealth mantra has a history that stretches back thousands of years. It originated in Tibet, where spiritual practices were deeply intertwined with daily life. Tibetan monks, over centuries, preserved this mantra, carefully passing it down through generations. The significance of this mantra is not just in its words, but in the sacredness of its sound. In Tibetan culture, mantras are not mere phrases, they are powerful vibrations believed to hold spiritual energy. These sounds are thought to align the body, mind, and spirit with the universe. Mantras like this one were considered so sacred that they were kept hidden from the public eye. Only a select few, those who had reached a certain level of spiritual understanding, were entrusted with such knowledge. The belief was that the mantra had the power to unlock more than just material wealth, it could also bring spiritual awakening and inner peace. The teachings surrounding this mantra were often passed down in secrecy, within the walls of monasteries, away from the eyes of outsiders. This sense of reverence and protection around the mantra only added to its mystique, heightening its cultural significance. In Tibetan Buddhism, sound is seen as a bridge between the earthly and the divine. Mantras are thought to possess an energy that transcends time and space. They can invoke divine blessings, bring prosperity, and purify the soul. This wealth mantra, in particular, was believed to channel the blessings of Jambhala, the Tibetan god of wealth, making it even more revered. Tibetans believe that to chant the mantra with sincerity and devotion can open doors to abundance, not just in material terms but also in wisdom and spiritual fulfillment. This mantra became an essential part of spiritual practices for those seeking balance, prosperity, and enlightenment in their lives. Before we delve into the reasons why this mantra was hidden, let's explore its incredible power. This Tibetan wealth mantra is more than just a chant, it's believed to be a key that unlocks wealth, success, and abundance in life. But it's not only about money. The mantra's influence extends far beyond material gain. In Tibetan Buddhism, it's said that chanting this mantra helps align your energies with the universe, bringing prosperity in ways you may never have imagined. The vibrations from the mantra are thought to create a powerful connection to the cosmic forces of wealth, allowing you to attract opportunities and blessings that would otherwise remain out of reach. But wealth, in the Tibetan sense, is not just financial, it includes spiritual wealth, health, and emotional balance. Those who have practiced this mantra report feelings of inner peace and a sense of fulfillment, alongside material benefits. It's said to clear obstacles in your path, making way for new opportunities in your life. The energy behind the mantra is believed to bring a unique type of flow. Once you start chanting, things begin to align in your favor. The mantra is not just a tool for attracting wealth, it's a spiritual practice that allows you to connect with your higher self and the divine forces of the universe. Through this practice, you're not just receiving material blessings, but also cultivating a deeper understanding of life's true riches. Some practitioners claim to experience a shift in mindset, feeling more confident and focused. With the right intentions and consistent practice, the mantra is said to transform not just your financial situation but also your outlook on life. It's about tapping into a force that has been hidden for centuries, a force that, when used properly, can bring profound change. The Tibetan monks who have guarded this mantra for centuries believed in its transformative power, and today, it's said that anyone who uses the mantra with sincerity can access the same divine energy they once did. Before we explore the mantra's incredible effects, it's crucial to understand why it was hidden for so long. The secrecy surrounding this mantra is not without reason. Tibetan monks and spiritual leaders were very intentional about who they entrusted with this knowledge. In Tibetan tradition, there is a belief that certain spiritual practices should not be shared with just anyone. These practices, particularly mantras, hold immense power, and if used improperly, they could cause harm or create imbalance. The mantra's power is directly tied to the intentions behind its use. It's said that those who approach it with pure motives, seeking spiritual growth and self-improvement, are the ones who benefit most from its blessings. But misuse could lead to unintended consequences. The fear of misuse is one of the main reasons the mantra was kept hidden. The wrong person, motivated by greed or selfish desires, might use it only for material gain, completely missing its deeper, spiritual purpose. In the wrong hands, the mantra could lose its power or become distorted. For centuries, Tibetan monks safeguarded the mantra, believing that only those truly prepared to understand its power could be entrusted with it. Another reason for its secrecy lies in the sacred nature of the mantra itself. In Tibetan Buddhism, mantras are more than just words, they are considered to be alive with energy. The sound of each syllable is believed to resonate with spiritual vibrations that connect the practitioner to divine forces. Revealing such a sacred mantra to the world could disrupt this balance and diminish its true essence. Moreover, there's also the spiritual responsibility that comes with this knowledge. Tibetan monks would only pass the mantra on to those who demonstrated wisdom, humility, and a deep understanding of Tibetan Buddhist principles. It was not simply a matter of reciting words, it was about embodying the wisdom behind them. As the world became more connected and spiritual practices began to spread, the hidden teachings of Tibet became harder to protect. But even then, many monks and spiritual teachers remained cautious, only sharing the mantra with those they deemed worthy of its power. It wasn't until recent times that this secret knowledge started to surface, allowing the rest of the world to experience its benefits. In a sense, the hidden nature of this mantra adds to its allure. The secrecy surrounding it has only enhanced its mystique, making it even more revered among spiritual seekers. Before we go into how you can begin using the mantra in your own life, let's finally reveal it. For centuries, this mantra was kept hidden, preserved in the sacred teachings of Tibetan monks. Now, it's available for those who are ready to embrace its power. The mantra itself is simple but profound, Om Jambhala Jalendraye Svaha. Each word in this mantra carries a deep and powerful meaning, which is key to unlocking its benefits. Let's break it down. Om, this is a universal sound, considered the most sacred syllable in many spiritual traditions, including Tibetan Buddhism. It symbolizes the creation of the universe and the connection between the physical and spiritual realms. Jambhala, this refers to the Tibetan god of wealth and prosperity. Jambhala is known for his ability to grant material wealth, but he also symbolizes spiritual richness, an abundance of wisdom, health, and happiness. Jalendraye, this is a specific invocation to the deity, calling upon his energy and blessings. It is the key that activates the divine flow of prosperity and abundance. Svaha, a Sanskrit term that means, so be it, or, let it be, this word is used to seal the power of the mantra, confirming the practitioner's intentions and allowing the energy to manifest. When spoken together, these words invoke the blessings of Jambhala, bringing both material and spiritual wealth into the life of the practitioner. The mantra serves as a divine request for abundance, but it is also a reminder to remain humble and grateful for the wealth we already have. The mantra's power is not just in the words, but in their vibration. Each time it is chanted, the energy of the universe is called upon, creating a ripple effect that can bring about positive changes. This is why the mantra has been revered for so long. It is not simply a tool for attracting wealth, but a sacred ritual that aligns the soul with higher forces. Over the years, many have claimed to feel a noticeable shift after using the mantra, Some report an increase in opportunities, while others find their minds becoming clearer, their lives more balanced. Whether it's the flow of wealth or spiritual growth, the mantra's energy is said to open doors to new possibilities, if used with the right intention and devotion. Before we conclude, let's talk about how you can begin using this ancient Tibetan wealth mantra in your own life. The key to unlocking its power is in the way you approach it, both mentally and spiritually. This mantra is not just something to chant casually, it requires focus, intention, and consistency. To begin, find a quiet and peaceful space. It's important to be in an environment free from distractions so you can fully connect with the energy of the mantra. Sit in a comfortable position, either on the floor or in a chair, keeping your back straight and your body relaxed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, with your mind calm, begin chanting the mantra, Om Jambhala Jalendraye Svaha. Repeat the mantra slowly and clearly, letting the vibrations of each syllable resonate within you. As you chant, focus on the sound and feel the energy of the words filling your being. Imagine the blessings of Jambhala, the god of wealth, flowing towards you, bringing prosperity not only in material terms but also in wisdom, peace, and spiritual growth. It's important to chant the mantra with sincere intent. You're not just reciting words, you're calling upon the divine energy of Jambhala to help manifest your desires. Whether you're seeking financial abundance, personal transformation, or spiritual enlightenment, your heart's true intention must guide your practice. The more you chant, the stronger the connection becomes. Tibetan monks recommend repeating the mantra at least 108 times, as the number 108 holds sacred significance in many spiritual traditions. You can chant the mantra daily, preferably in the morning or evening, as part of your spiritual practice. Consistency is key. Like any spiritual practice, the more devoted you are, the more you will feel the impact. In addition to chanting, some believe that incorporating acts of kindness and generosity while using the mantra can amplify its effects. The mantra works best when the practitioner is aligned with values of compassion, gratitude, and humility. By helping others and showing gratitude for what you already have, you align yourself with the flow of abundance that the mantra brings. Remember, patience is essential. The benefits of the mantra may not appear immediately, but over time, you may start to notice subtle changes in your life. Opportunities may arise, your mindset may shift, and your life may begin to align with the abundance you seek. Trust in the process and allow the mantra to guide you on your journey. By integrating this sacred practice into your daily life, as we've seen, this 3,000-year-old Tibetan wealth mantra holds not just the power to attract material wealth but also the potential to bring spiritual growth, wisdom, and inner peace into your life. Its hidden teachings, passed down through generations, have now been shared with you, and it's up to you to unlock its transformative power. By practicing this mantra with intention, devotion, and consistency, you can align yourself with the universal flow of abundance. But remember, it's not just about gaining wealth. This mantra invites you to enrich your life in every way, spiritually and materially. If you feel the power of this ancient wisdom, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Silence Journey. We're here to guide you on more transformative spiritual practices and share timeless teachings that can change your life. Thank you for watching Silence Journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into powerful spiritual practices and timeless wisdom. Remember, the journey to wealth and spiritual fulfillment begins with a single step, and you've just taken it. Stay connected, stay peaceful, and we'll see you in the next video.